many thanks to give tonight. I first of all want to thank all of you who have journeyed from near and far to be here tonight to show your support for the People's National Party and to do me the privilege and the pleasure of being here to celebrate with me. I want to also give thanks to the team of the leadership that is here tonight, because all the officers of the party are here, all of the regional chairmen are here, the members of parliament are powerful and present, and we have a united team in the People's National Party. Tonight, I owe a special thanks to all the comrades of East Central St. Andrew. In 1994, East Central St. Andrew embraced me as their member of parliament. And we started a love affair that has not ended and which shall continue as long as my heart shall beat. And I really want to say that whatever I have been able to do here in East Central St. Andrew, whatever improvements to the schools, whatever we have done with land titles in communities like Rome and Mandela Terrace and 75 Lane, Red Hills Road and all over, whatever we have been able to do has been not done by me, but has been done by a team. And I want to give thanks to the team. Some are present. Some have passed on. But nothing is possible unless we are able to work together. And that is what we have done in East Central St. Andrew. But today, whatever has been done, there is no doubt that much more needs to be done. Tomorrow morning is back to school. And the people of East Central, St. Andrew and the rest of the corporate area are feeling the pressure of the mismanagement of the Jamaica Labour Party government. I tell them must put together some water so people can organize them life. I see them come out and say them a truck water to school. That is not good enough. The children have to get ready for school. Households have to put on a little tea in the morning. The youth have to hold up fresh in the morning. And we had water all about and them disrupt the water system. Say them a fixed road. Like them never know, say back to school was going to come September morning. Total mismanagement, total disregard, total disrespect for the people of East Central and the corporate area. But it's just typical of the Jamaica Labour Party government that we have around us. Because everyone around now understand, anybody who paying attention, that Labour is not working for the people of Jamaica. Everyone around now know that all we have been given by the Green people is a set of broken promises? Who remember when them was promising, say you sleep with your door and your window open? Who remember? Yet, what is the reality? The reality is 5,000 people murdered since the government changed and Labour come in 2016. The reality is, after 7 state of emergency and 2 zozo, what you have is murders climbing like never before. And the reality is that with all of that, they still have no plan how to manage and control crime. Who remember when they was promising prosperity? A man tell me last night, me say, how you doing? Him say, prosperity a kill me. Because them never poor so yet. Their own numbers show that instead of prosperity, what we have got is poverty. Poverty climbing in the land. Because of the poverty that climbing, what you have is people in the corporate area are poorer by 30%. We never need PIOJ to come tell me that, because the reality is everybody who go a corner shop or grocery shop or supermarket knows say your money not stretch today like how it could stretch before. That is the reality. 500,000 Jamaicans, according to their numbers, living on less than $250 a day. And a kind of prosperity that the prosperity no reach way. A prosperity up so for a few, but not for the majority. And then on top of it, you have more scandal and corruption than we have ever seen before. $14 billion worth of your money. Money taken from the people in the East Central, South, West, South, East, East Kingston, all the people of Jamaica. And yet when you go to hospital, you can't get a bed if them admit you. And the picnic them at school not have enough desk and chair. And police not have enough car. Think of what $14 billion could do to fix hospital when I have x-ray machine. If you go to hospital now and them admit you and them say you need an x-ray, you have to find an next 20 grand or 30 grand for the MRI. Labour not working for the people of Jamaica. So hear me now. What that means to me is that Jamaica need the People's National Party. Like how we'd have to fix the economy before, we're going to have to fix the economy and the society again. Jamaica need a safe pair of hands to manage the affairs of the country. Too many of our young people are employed. There has been a disaster in agriculture. Young people in the corporate area cannot find the high-paying jobs that we need. And no effort has been made to develop a new economy that works for the people of Jamaica. What we propose to do and the problems that we face right here in East Central St. Andrew are problems which exist all over the corporate area, problems which exist, whether it's Macfield Park, or Flankers, or Dunkirk, or Cassava Peace. We are dedicated to making fundamental change in Jamaica. That is our party. That's why I am not ashamed to say that I live and die under the banner of democratic socialism. Because we come in the tradition of Norman Manley and Michael Manley and PJ and Portia, we come to make fundamental change in the quality of life for the poor, the oppressed, and marginalized in Jamaica. We don't come to take when no one bank or anything, but we come to make a different quality of life for the poor people of Jamaica who have been disadvantaged by history and by life. So hear me now. Any country that is rich in the world is rich because them educate their people. And yet in our country, despite the efforts started by Norman and continued by all our other leaders, we still have too many of our children not getting the quality of education that them deserve. I want Tarrant, where we there now, to give the same quality of education like Campion College or Wilmers or Jamaica College. I want Norman Manley High School, named after our national hero, to give the same quality of education like Jamaica College that he went to. I want all children in Jamaica, not just the few that go into the 45 name brand school. Whether you go Clancarty, or you go Holy Trinity, or you are going to Norman Manley, or you are going to Wilmers or Excelsior or Arden, must be one high quality education for all the children. And that is the mission of the People's National Party that I intend to lead from Jamaica House. In East Central St. Andrew, same like down the back to our Cassava Peace or Dunkirk, you have a whole heap of people live on land 20 year, 30 year, 40 year, and still they are called squatters in their own country. We come to abolish squatting and create a land of proud homeowners in the corporate area. When you talk them things, your people think is impossible dreams, but nothing prevents it except the absence of will and the lack of vision. So comrades, Jamaica need the People's National Party. Because all progress in Jamaica began for our people when the People's National Party was formed. And we must always remember what we stand for, who we defend, what our mission is. Our mission is not power for itself. Our mission in the People's National Party is to seek power for the people, to seek power to improve the quality of life of the people. We don't seek power so a few people can call themselves minister and walk around like them is a big thing in other words. We seek power for one reason and one reason only: to uplift the poor and those who are left behind. So comrades, if you are for that mission, make me hear you. Are you ready, comrades? Let me see the socialists them inside here. Who are the socialists them inside here?
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Peter Phillips is a champion. Champion, champion,
Crawford a champion, Lisa a champion, Powell a champion, Imani a champion, Wickham is a champion. Don't forget, Dean is a champion, Fitz is a champion, Morris is a champion, Shane is a champion, Wavel a champion, Dwayne is a champion, 958, Patricia a champion. What?
Champion, 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 champion.
Everybody know Peter Phillips is a champion.
Champion, 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 champion.
Everybody knows that together we are champion.
So comrades, hear me now. Come September 7th, we have one mission to perform. But when we're done with that, we'll go through Jamaica from top to bottom, from north to south and east to west. We're going to tell them that the corruption must stop. They must lock up somebody now. That's why we march a half a tree. That's why we march a Shamsad Square. And we are not going to stop. We'll go conference after conference. We're on the road again. And I'm looking for you to be there with me, because together we are going to stamp out corruption in Jamaica and clean up the country. And then we are going to move from constituency to constituency to ensure that when that time comes, the People's National Party will be victorious, so that the progress of the Jamaican people can continue and move forward again. Are you ready, my comrades? Are you ready for victory, my comrades? Are you ready for progress, my comrades? If you are ready, we are ready. Forward ever, backward never. One heart, one love, until we meet again.
Step up, PNP, we don't come to play. Step up to a far a better day. Step up, step up.